Want a Vision Pro that won't break your bank or your neck? Apple's cooking up a cheaper, lighter model to take on the Meta Quest 3, and it's trending big. Rumors say it's just 1.5 pounds and way more affordable. Stick around to see why this could be Apple's mixed reality comeback. Hey tech fam, welcome back to GadInsider. Apple's making waves with whispers of a new Vision Pro, one that's lighter, cheaper, and ready to slug it out with the Meta Quest 3. Bloomberg's spilling the tea on a redesigned headset that fixes the hefty price and weight gripes. Let's dive into why everyone's buzzing about Apple's next big VR play. So what's Apple planning? The current Vision Pro is a mixed reality monster, 4K micro OLED displays, M2 chip spatial audio, but at $3,499 and nearly 1.5 pounds, it's a pricey, neck-straining beast. Bloomberg says Apple's new model is slashing both weight and cost to go head-to-head with the Meta Quest 3, which starts at just $499. Rumors peg this budget Vision Pro at around 1.5 pounds or less. Designed to ease that head and neck strain fans have been griping about on X. Think streamlined materials, maybe less glass, more lightweight alloys, and a tweaked feature set to keep it affordable without losing that Apple polish. It'll still rock pass-through cameras for seamless AR, but don't expect the full pro's firepower. This is about accessibility, not excess. But wait, Apple's not stopping there. They're also teasing a wired Vision Pro 2 for pro users, tethered to a Mac for near zero latency. Think surgeons planning operations or pilots training in hyper-realistic flight sims, tasks where every millisecond counts. Unlike quirky transparent lens prototypes, this one sticks with pass-through cams like the original. Why is this hot? The budget model could steal casual users from Meta's Quest 3, which dominates with its lightweight 1.1 pound design and 500 apps. But Apple's betting on ecosystem magic, iPads, iPhones, and Macs syncing seamlessly to win over creators and pros. X posts are hyped, with fans saying it's Apple's shot at owning R for everyone. If they nail the price, Meta might feel the heat. Alright, let's make it you. Picture snagging this lighter Vision Pro. What's your vibe? Gaming in crisp AR without the neck ache? Designing 3D art on the go? Or maybe just flexing a budget-friendly headset at work? Drop your dream use case in the comments.